Anna is a young woman. She is 22 years old. She is kind and smart. Anna lives in a small town. Her town is quiet. People know each other. It is peaceful. One day, Anna gets a new job. The job is in a big city. The city is far from her home. Anna is happy but also a little scared. I will miss my home, she says. But I want to grow. I want to learn more. She packs her bags. She says goodbye to her parents, her friends, and her dog. She takes a train to the city. The train is fast. She looks out the window. She sees trees, houses, and cars. After 5 hours, she reaches the city. The city is loud. There are many people. There are tall buildings, bright lights, and busy streets. This is very different, Anna says, but I will be okay. Anna finds a small apartment. It is not big, but it is nice. There is one bedroom, one bathroom, a small kitchen, and a living room. She puts her things away. She puts a photo of her family on the wall. The first night, Anna can't sleep. She hears cars, music, and people talking outside. It is so noisy, she says, but I'll get used to it. She drinks warm milk and goes to bed. Anna wakes up early. She takes a shower and eats toast. She wears a blue dress and black shoes. She wants to look nice for her first day. She walks to the bus stop. She takes the number 7 bus to her office. The bus is full. People are reading, talking, and using their phones. Anna gets to her office. It is on the 10th floor. She meets her new boss. His name is Mr. Brown. He smiles and says, "Welcome, Anna. We are happy you are here." Anna feels better. She learns about her work. She must answer phone calls, write emails, and help the team. Her co worker, Lisa, is friendly. Lisa says, "If you need help, just ask me." Anna thanks her. She starts her first job. After work, Anna is tired. She wants some quiet time. She talks to a park near her apartment. The park has green trees, a small pond, and flowers. She sits on a bench. She hears birds singing. She sees children playing. An old man is feeding the ducks. A woman is walking her dog. Anna smiles. This city is busy, but it has quiet places too. She buys an ice cream and walks home. One Saturday, Anna goes to the market. She wants to buy fruit and vegetables. She sees a girl about her age. The girl drops an apple. It rolls to Anna's feet. Anna picks it up. "Here you go," she says. "Thank you," the girl says. "My name is Sarah." "I am Anna." They talk as they shop. Sarah also moved to the city last year. They both like reading, cooking, and walking in the park. "Let's have lunch together," Sarah says. They go to the small cafe. They eat soup and bread. They drink tea, they laugh and talk. I think we'll be good friends, Anna says. One morning, Anna wakes up and hears rain. It is heavy rain. She takes her umbrella and goes to the work. But the wind is strong. Her umbrella breaks. She runs to the bus stop. She is wet. Her shoes are cold. At work, she changes into dry clothes. Mr. Brown says, "You are brave. Many people stayed home today." Anna smiles. She drinks hot coffee. The rain stops in the afternoon. Anna gets a letter from her mother. Her mother writes, "Dear Anna, we miss you very much. Your dog is doing well. Your room is still the same. We are proud of you. Keep working hard. Love, Mom and Dad." Anna reads the letter 3 times. She feels warm inside. She writes back, "Dear Mom and Dad, I miss you too. The city is big, but I am learning a lot. I have a friend named Sarah. I'm doing okay. Love, Anna." After 2 months, Anna has a routine. She wakes up at 7. She eats breakfast. She goes to the work. After work, she sometimes reads a book, calls her parents, or meets Sarah. She starts to cook new food. She learns how to make pasta, soup, and pancakes. She also goes to a language class on weekends to improve her English. "I'm growing," she thinks. "I'm learning every day." One day, Anna loses her keys. She looks in her bag, in her pockets, and at work, no keys. She calls her landlord. He helps her open the door. "Be careful next time," he says. Anna is thankful. She puts a spare key in her bag. It is okay to make mistakes, she thinks. I will learn. After 4 months, Anna goes home for a weekend. She takes the train again. Her parents wait at the station. Her dog her dog jumps on her. Her mom hugs her. Her dad smiles. "It is good to see you," they say. They eat together. They talk and laugh and tell stories about her job, her friend Sarah, and the city. "You are strong and brave," her dad says. Anna feels happy. Anna goes back to the city. This time she feels different. She knows the bus, the office, and the streets. She is not scared now. She meets Sarah for dinner. "It's good to be back," Anna says. The city is not strange, no. It is her home. Anna sits by her window. She watches the sunset. She drinks tea and thinks, "I did it," she says. "I moved to a new place. I got a job. I made friends. I learned new things." She writes in her diary, "Life is not always easy, but every day is a chance to learn and grow." She closes the book. She smiles. Tomorrow is a new day.